Okay, so I'm trying to build a calculator. So I'm trying to first learn how to display binary numbers. So here I have is the deep switch, and in addition to the deep switch I have a XOR gate, and at the same time I have what we call the BCD to 7-segment display. So this actually converts the binary number to decimal number. So right now we have 1 here. So now if I click on this, if I switch the deep switch, it's going to change to 9. So now we have 9, and then if I switch again, it's going to turn to 1. So we go with 9 and 1, 9 and 1. So this is my first step to creating the calculator. So I'm just going to be going with this. So we have 1 back, and then we have 9.